We praise and thank our Creator for the gift of a Virgin New Year. No one knows its content, but He does. The Lord, in His omniscience, sees not only the cause and effect, the chain of events, the providential journey of time that will actually unfold, but also all the parallels, what in French one can refer to as les futuribles, the futuribles, those that could be if another cause led to another effect somewhere along the line. There are some moments on the map of time that have a huge impact on all other moments to come. And in the microcosm of a personal life, that too is true. And so our decisions matter. The Lord foresees their consequences, and so it is fitting that before making big decisions, we come here to the Lord and ask that He guide. It is well on this day to pray the Veni Creator or some other prayer to the Holy Spirit, that He may take the reins. It is important that we be guided not by our whim. We need to take big decisions in a responsible way and not at the spur of the moment. So many big disasters come from unprepared decisions taken just like that, without reference to our King and the author of time and life. Alas, man is his own worst enemy. We so easily mess up the map of time ourselves. So before it happens, we hand it over to the Lord. Lord, the Alpha and the Omega, reign upon this time that you give me, for you give it only unknown, and as a creature I have no rights. This day, this year, is gratuitously given, and I praise and thank you for the privilege of being alive, for health, for safety, for the providence that keeps me alive, that feeds me, that shields me, that gives me people also to support me. I praise you, Lord, for all the good things that I have taken for granted. Let me enter into this year in grateful mode and honor you. Lord, reign. This year is entirely yours. Tibi gloria Deo Patri et Filio, cum Sancto Spiritu, in saecula saeculorum. Amen. Mater misericordiae, vita dulcedo, et spes nos nostra salve, a te clamamus, exules vini, a te suspiramus, gementes et flentes, in hoc lacrimarum vale. Ia ergo annogata nostra, in nostras misericordes oculos, ad nos converte, et Iesum benedictum fructum ventris tui,